Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to factor reset Windows 11. So now I'm provide easy method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. So for the first, click on here. After that, click on to power option. Click on. Look at the left side, click on to system. Scroll down. Click on to recovery. And now showing here to reset this PC. Click on. If you want to choose the first option or second option, now I recommend choose the first option. After that, click on to next, and then finally click on to next. Then successfully start the factory reset in your Windows 11. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.